everyone, and welcome to the workshop. I'm sure most of you have worked with indigenous materials such as different fibers, grasses, and even leaves. They make our products uniquely Filipino. But before these materials can become marketable products, we have to clean them up and create different colors through scouring, bleaching, and dyeing. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to do just that.
Before we get started, weigh your fiber or grass to determine how much water you'll need. Remember this liquor ratio. For every kilogram of material, use 20 liters of water. But for bulkier materials, adjust the liquor ratio as needed. You'll use this liquor ratio for the next 3 processes. Now that you've weighed your materials properly, let's clean it up through scouring. Add the soda ash and detergent to the required amount of water and then stir. Next, put in your fiber or grass. Make sure it's completely immersed in water. Heat to boil for 30 to 45 minutes. This will remove impurities such as fatty and oily substances, gums, and other mineral impurities from your material. When you're done, rinse the material with running water. To whiten the fiber or remove its natural color, you'll need to bleach it. After determining the amount of water using the 1:20 material to water ratio, add wood bleach to and detergent powder to hot water. Stir and add your fiber. Make sure it's completely underwater. Let it boil for 25 minutes. Then, remove excess chemicals by washing it with running water. Now you're ready to add color to your fiber. Remember to compute for the amount of water you'll need. Then, prepare the dye by mixing it with glacial acetic acid. Then add the dissolved dye in preheated water. Stir properly and raise the temperature to 40 degrees Celsius. Next, add the wet fibers in the dye solution and start timing the dyeing period. Now add the industrial salt. Let the solution boil for 30 to 60 minutes. Remember to wash and air dry the fiber after dyeing.
There are so many ways you can use indigenous fibers and grasses for your products, but it all starts with taking the time to clean and prepare these indigenous materials. Until next time, see you at the workshop.